did a little pull, huh? All right, here we go. Ready? Oh no.
That's okay. Why'd you fail? Sorry. I wasn't ready. Why don't you let Jack go by himself?
Let's go. Was that fun?
Yeah.
All right. Jack, what'd you do?
Do it down there.
Let me see you. You all right?
Yeah.
You a little bit wet? Good thing you got your Spider-Man boots on. You doing it again? Okay, one more time, then we'll go back in. Jump hard, man. Awesome. That was perfect, man. Awesome. You didn't get wet at all, man. Oh.
Was that a turbo spinner?
Try one more time. I want to see you go super fast this time.
Okay.
Like you did a minute ago when you did the barrel roll. Let's see you do that. What was that, a turkey?
No.
Okay, super fast barrel roll.
Okay.
Go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
What, Daddy? That was the funnest thing ever.
It was the funnest thing ever. Did you just eat the snow?
Yeah.
Just came back from outside in the snow. And can you see that? Can you see when I just simply wiggle my toes a little bit? Can you see that steam coming off? There it is. I saw it. See that? Look at that. That's just from my feet. Now, of course, I had them wrapped in these Kroger bags, which kept them insulated until the bags broke. But, yeah, it's like I'm seeing it from my shoes and from my socks. Just wiggle around a little bit, and then there's the steam. So, it definitely kept my feet warm, though, by having those bags in there. I mean, my feet aren't cold at all, but they're definitely wet. But my own body temperature just heated it up.